love it. दे oh my god, ये सारी जीन्स भी मिलती है guys. Thrifting is the best. और जब मिली भाई छप्पड़ फाड़ के मिली मैं, oh my god, it hugs my body so nicely. मेरे साइज में फटाफट ऐसे वो कार्ड स्वाइप करते ना, टक 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 टक, ले सारे पैसे ले. जब मेरा मूड स्विंग हो रहा है, टेक मी टू शॉपिंग. आई एम हैप्पी, टेक मी टू शॉपिंग. आई एम हंग्री, टेक मी टू शॉपिंग. 2 सेकंड में सब कुछ खत्म हो जाए. दिस इज जस्ट फॉर 800 रुपीज. कैन यू बिलीव इट? तो इन माई साइजेस वो सारा टेक मी टू शॉप. और टोन है या इन माई साइज, गिव इट टू मी. टू गुड टू बी ट्रू. द क्वालिटी इज मैड, इट्स मैड. रैप करती हूँ पागल ही हो जाए. हाँ मेरे साइज में, वाह. Sold. Everything is so. I'm a crazy shopaholic person, guys. हाँ, 1000 rupees. क्या मिलता है 1000 रुपए में आजकल? Oh my god, I can shop every day, anytime, anywhere. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kirti Gehlot. As you all know, I have lately started to be very active on YouTube because I feel I have to grow in all the platforms. Instagram पे, if you guys know, my name is Kirti Gehlot. Kirti Gehlot official के नाम से I have an Instagram account. I'm an body positive, plus size content creator, fashion content creator on Instagram. So here I am. So till then guys, if you relate to my content, I would really appreciate if you guys can subscribe to my channel, because one subscriber means a lot to me, and this is gonna make me more motivated to create such amazing content for you all, because I want to be active here. I'm thinking a lot of different content for YouTube as well, because I feel my YouTube fam also needs some sort of fashion tips. So here I am. So आप लोगों को पता चल ही गया होगा इस वीडियो से कि ये वीडियो होने वाला है प्लस साइज डेनिम जीन्स हॉल. Oh my god, as a plus size, I have literally struggled so much to find my size. As a plus size, मेरे को बहुत difficulty होती थी to find something which fits me. And market में चले जाओ, even if you shop online, lot of brands, you know, उनकी sizing कुछ होती है, deliver कुछ और होता है. It doesn't fit you that well. Offline stores चले जाओ, you're never satisfied with shopping when it comes to denims. And denims is such an essential part of fashion for an everyday fashion. And I really love denims. There was a phase जब मेरे पास literally वो जो पुराने जमाने में वो क्या बोलते हैं, पॉलिएस्टर की जो जीन्सेस होती थी ना, जो स्ट्रेची जीन्सेस होती है स्पैंडेक्स वाली, वो सारी जीन्सेस ही हम लोगों को फिट होती थी. सो आई यूज्ड टू फील रियली बैड, एंड इट वाज लाइक लो बेली. एक तो हमारा ऑलरेडी बेली सो मच, एंड उसके ऊपर से लो राइज जीन. Oh my god. So I'm super duper excited for this video because I have been planning this content scene from literally 7 months. And तब से मैं बस brands ढूंढे जा रही हूँ कि यार और आएगा, और कोई अच्छा brand होगा, then I'll make this video. But you know what? It's never ending, and the process keeps on going. There are everyday new brands coming in, but again, the quality, the quantity, it all really matters, you know. And मेरे लिए quality is something, even if I'm spending 2000 rupees on a denim, it has to be worth it. I have listed down some 4-5 brands for you all. You guys can stay till the video ends and you guys can see what all brands I have for you all. And trust me, you're gonna love the jeans. आप लोगों ने सोचा तक नहीं होगा कि as a plus size, you can get something like this outside. And H&M, Zara, because I am here, I have got something really good. So let's start the video. Yes guys, so let's start the video. The very first jeans and the very first brand, I think everybody knows about it. It's very famous in India. They are the first people who are doing some trendy, amazing jeans for plus size people. And I really love each and every piece from them. Literally, I think half of my wardrobe is filled with those jeans, and the first one is Frickeens. Yeah, you guys can see how happy I am whenever I speak about Frickeens. And also, when Frickeens was going for Shark Tank, I was modeling for them, and this was my picture. You guys can see here, this was the picture. I was working for Frickeens at that particular time, and that was the first time when I tried Frickeens jeans, and I got very confident that wow man, what a fit, what a design, what a style, what a quality. I was mad. I was literally mad for them. So I have one jeans. I'm gonna show it to you. I have actually two jeans. I've taken out 2 jeans for you all because those 2 are like literally the most favorite jeans. And the first one is this. As you all can see, all of these details and I really adore. It's so nice. The color palette, one is dark, one is light. I really love it. And the fit, it hugs my body like anything यार, and I can literally style this with a lot of things. You guys can see it's from Frickings. मतलब मैं इसको इतने multiple ways में style कर सकती हूँ, and I really love how funky and trendy it is. Like look at it, look at the back. Crazy about Frickings. The Frickings का jeans hugs my body so well, and it is just the perfect. There is one problem जो मेरे को feel होता है is the length. उनकी lengths are too long. I think मेरे लिए बहुत difficult हो जाता because I'm 5'4" and for me it's difficult because इतनी लंबी हाइट नहीं है मेरी, छोटी हाइट है मेरी, तो मुझे ऑल्ट्रेशन करवाना पड़ता है फ्रिकीन्स की जीन्स का. मोस्ट not every jeans, but there are, I think some jeans have this issue where the length is quite long and I have to get it altered. But apart from that, the waist, the hip, it just trenches my body so perfectly. I love the fitting. So happy. I'm gonna link everything down, guys. जो भी jeans मेरे पास है, if it's out of stock also, I can link it down. All the description, सारे links will be on the description, so you guys can shop from there. But let's move on to the second jeans. हाँ, फ्रिकीन्स की एक और जीन्स है, वो आपको मैं बताती हूँ, which is a mom jeans. Look at the thing. I love the toning here. I really love it. It's so nice. मुझे ऐसी जीन्स बहुत पसंद है. मेरे पास टोन जीन्स थी नहीं यार. And I really love this mom jeans as well. It's really the best. Look at it. I really love, and इसकी length is just too perfect. It is mom jeans and the length is like aha. Wow, I really love it. You guys can see how beautiful it's looking on me, and guys, trust me, Frickings is the brand I really love. So my very first recommendation is, if you want to buy something trendy, something perfect, something comfortable, Frickings is your one go solution for denims, because they only curate in denims, and now they've come to Korean pants, they're doing trousers, they're doing shorts, skirts, they have a lot of things lined up for plus size people as well. So I think you guys should definitely check them out and you're gonna go mad, you're gonna love it. So let's move on to the second jeans. If you all know, I really love thrifting clothes, and if you guys follow me on Instagram, you must know that how much I thrift clothes, because I get the most amazing and trendiest things when it comes to thrifting. Literally, I buy jeans for 500, 800, 900, 1000 max, and I get the quality. If you guys see the quality, it's you're gonna go mad. और मेरे पास लिटरली वो जीन्सेस 2-3 साल से पड़ी है. मैंने शुरुआत के मेरी जर्नी में आई बॉट दोज जीन्सेस, एंड टिल डेट they just look so neat and so perfect. I really love it.
Wow!
The very first jeans I'm gonna show you is this one. Look at it. ये पूरा toned है, ठीक है. I know this might be not anybody's choice, but at that time मैं इतनी दीवानी हो गई थी टोन जीन्सेस की, बस जो भी टोन दिखता था ना सब खरीद लेती थी. ओह टोन है, या इन माय साइज, गिव इट टू मी. हर चीज पे मेरा हाथ होता था. लिटरली आई यूज्ड टू परचेज एवरीथिंग, and I'm promoting them. It's not even like, because they're small businesses and I really love supporting small businesses because they're doing such amazing job, and that too for plus size people. So when it comes to under 1000, guys, thrifting is the best. So there is this one brand called Curvy Shopaholic. That lady has done such amazing job. I think she was the first person on Instagram who started this business and has done really amazing. She has such a beautiful collection, and this was one of that collection. And also उसमें एक problem है कि once you purchase, क्योंकि वो लोग सेल डालते हैं, तो once they put the sale, you cannot repurchase it. मतलब ये जीन्स आपको वापस नहीं मिलने वाली है. वो लोग हमेशा नहीं, it's only one piece. So one pieces के हिसाब से बेचते हैं, and everything, literally all the jeans she's selling it around 1000 rupees max.
Oh my God!
1000 rupees. क्या मिलता है 1000 रुपए में आजकल? कौन सी जीन्स मिलती है 1000 रुपीज में? मैंने तो कभी कोई जीन्स देखी नहीं है. एंड लिटरली कर्वी शॉपaholic is a brand who's been really nice. Now I call them as a brand because they have built themselves so huge and so nicely कि मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है that small businesses are growing so fast, so vast, and they literally are doing such amazing job. But look at this jeans, like, oh my god, I really love it. Like, and it's just so perfect. Might be not हर किसी की choice नहीं हो सकती, but you know I'm a little crazy when it comes to tone jeans. I go mad when I see tone jeans. मुझे कुछ नहीं दिखता. And look at the perfection. Look at the tone. Look at the belt. Look at the waist, the back. Everything is just so perfect. It fits my body so nicely. If college girls are into budget friendly, then Curvy Shopaholic is one stop solution for you all, guys. You should check her out. She is bomb. Her collection is too good. Every time she launches something, I am the one person who's gonna purchase some or the other thing, and I really love it. Just love it. So the third brand is High Star. ये मुझे ब्रांड मिंत्रा से मिला था, and I have collaborated with them recently, and I really love the jeans. Like, I was so happy when I saw the jeans. I'll show you this white jeans I have from them. I have 2 jeans from them, and both the jeans are like my top-notch favorite. The quality is so premium and so nice. Look at it. And the best part, कोई ऑल्ट्रेशन की जरूरत नहीं है, बिकॉज दे मेक अकॉर्डिंग टू इंडियन हाइट्स के हिसाब से ये जीन्स बनी गई है. तो मुझ जैसा छोटा इंसान आराम से इन जीन्स को पहन सकता है विदाउट एनी ऑल्ट्रेशन, एंड इट इज जस्ट द बेस्ट. एंड दीज आर ऑल्सो अंडर 1500 और 2000 के अंदर इनकी जीन्स है. इनकी प्राइसिंग इज ऑल्सो टू गुड. आई रियली लव. ऑल द जीन्स आर वेरी अफोर्डेबल, गाइज. इफ यू थिंक ऑल द जीन्स आर अंडर 2000 और 2500 के रेंज में ही है, बिकॉज ऑल द जीन्स आर वेरी अफोर्डेबल. College people, office people, adults, everybody can shop from them because these are very affordable and it's just the best. I really like it, and look at the quality. मतलब इतना soft है इसका fabric and it's so lightweight. I really love how it fits me. Like, इतना सुंदर color है, and I didn't have anything in white. मेरे को white denim चाहिए थे because I needed white trousers है, white pants है, but I wanted a white denim because I think it's more chic. Closet में हर चीज होनी चाहिए मेरे. I should feel like I have everything. And I keep on shopping. I'm a crazy shopaholic person, guys. मेरा stress buster तभी होता है जब मैं shopping करती हूँ. मुझे गुस्सा आ रहा है, take me to shopping. मुझे मेरा mood swing हो रहा है, take me to shopping. I'm happy, take me to shopping. I'm hungry, take me to shopping. Oh my god, I can shop every day, anytime, anywhere. If you guys don't know, I also have a thrift page where whatever I get from brands or I have used a lot, I sell my clothes, I resell my clothes at a very affordable rate. The page name is Thrift with T. You guys can check my account, and you guys, if there's available, जो भी available products होते हैं वो highlights में होते हैं, so you guys can shop from me as well. Your girl is multitasking. Your girl is doing multiple businesses at once. So yeah, let's move on to the fourth brand. The fourth brand is a small business again from Instagram. It's called Petri Chor Thrift. And guys, this girl has done such a great job. Trust me, entire Instagram is mad about her collection. Whenever there's a sale, यार 2 सेकेंड में सब कुछ खत्म हो जाता है. Literally, even if I keep scrolling, sold. Everything is sold, and even she's very affordable. She sells up to 58 or 50, I think. हाँ, साइजेस उसकी आराम से 50 के आसपास होती है, and it is really nice. She's doing such an amazing job for plus size people. I have one jeans from her. Oh my god, look at the quality. Look at this jeans. I really love it, and it's straight cut, it's high waisted. The quality is so premium. It's so lightweight at the same time, and I really love it. And this is just for 800 rupees. Can you believe it? 800 rupees. It's literally a hub. Same system होता है. You get only one piece, and वो सारे sizing का सब कुछ अपने caption में mention कर देते हैं. Everything is linked down in their caption. How much is the price? What is the thing? And you can DM them and shop from them. She has made her page so aesthetic. Her Instagram looks so nice and so beautiful. People want to buy from her. Like, it attracts you, you know, when you see some brands like this. And look at the jeans. I mean, the fitting is just too perfect. Yeah, I really love how high waisted and how perfectly it cinches my waist. And it is just too good because I feel बहुत मुश्किल से मुझे मिलती है मेरी साइज में जीन्स, एंड जब भी मुझे मिलती है मैं थोड़ा पागलों की तरह एक्ट करती हूँ. पागल ही हो जाए, हाँ मेरी साइज में, वाह मेरी साइज में, फटाफट ऐसे वो कार्ड सब करते ना, टक 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 टक, ले सारे पैसे ले जल्दी से जल्दी. एंड इट्स अ रेस, यू नो, व्हेन इट कम्स टू दीज ब्रांड्स. मतलब इतने सारे लोग डीएम करते रहते हैं, एंड जो फर्स्ट इट्स ऑलवेज फर्स्ट कम फर्स्ट सर्व. तो यू आर ऑलवेज लुकिंग अप कि यार नहीं जल्दी खरीदना पड़ेगा, ये कोई और ले लेगा. सो दैट थिंग वाज थ्राइव्स वेरी नाइस, दैट ओके आई हैव टू परचेज. Guys, so let's move on to the fifth brand. The fifth brand is Turning Blue. Look at it, how they are turning blue. I really love the tone jeans, as you guys know how mad I am already about it. So this is the third brand, and oh my god, मुझे उनकी quality इतनी अच्छी लगती है. They are so premium and so affordable. All the jeans what I've showed you are really affordable. Everybody can shop and everybody can have such a great time. And look at the fitting. It's just, oh my god, it hugs my word. Sizings are also very nice. I think they do it around 5XL, 48 is the last size they have. So you guys should definitely check them out. You guys are gonna love it. The collection is dope. And you can shop from Myntra में they have really nice collection, and you can, अगर तुम्हारे पास coupon codes हैं and all of those things, और affordable हो जाएगा आप लोगों के लिए. And it is the best. Guys, I really love denims and I'm mad about denim, so I had to make this video for you all. That's about the brand, guys. These are my top 5 favorite brands in India and I really love their collection. Everybody has some or the other authentic way of creating their own styles, and they bring such trendy things for plus size people, and it really thrives me to shop from them because these are my go-to brands when it comes to denims. I don't have to think thrice before purchasing from them. I really love it. मुझे बहुत मुश्किल से plus size jeans मिलती है, और जब मिली भाई छप्पड़ फाड़ के मिली, मैं इतनी खुश हो गई when I got these jeans. So guys, I'm gonna link everything down on description box so you guys can check all the jeans out. तुम लोगों को बहुत मजा आने वाला है. I will also list down a lot of other jeans also which you guys can shop from. तो तुम लोगों को बहुत easy हो जाएगा to understand. If you guys really like my content, if you guys have loved what I've done today, so please do hit the subscribe button because that is very important for me so that I can make more amazing videos for you all. So till then, bye bye, take care, see you.